Welcome to Absolutely Beautiful Cooking with Devon. I'm Devon and I'm your host. Today we're making potato salad. For the dressing we will need 1 cup of mayo, 2 teaspoons of mustard, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of pickle juice, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. This recipe is made up of 3 main parts: dressing, potato, and sweet pickles. I will use 3 pounds of potatoes and 12 ounces of pickles. You can use more or less according to taste. You can bake, boil, or microwave your potatoes. I like them best baked, so that is what I am doing. If you are baking the potatoes, put them in the oven at 350 for about 1 hour. While your potatoes are cooking, cut your pickles into small pieces. Don't forget to reserve 1/4 cup of pickle juice for the dressing. When your pickles are cut up, set them aside. Next up, make the dressing. Combine the mayo, mustard, pickle juice, spices, and stir well. My grandma always says to taste it and adjust spices as needed. Yummy! Cube the potatoes when they are done cooking. Woo! When you are finished cutting the potatoes, add the pickles, dressing, mix well. I like to save a little dressing to add right before I eat this great potato salad. Make sure to go under this video, hit the subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up.